Hey guys, so here's a quick video of how I clean my daughter's Uggs. She's 3, so she uses these boots up. And so here you go. This is a dirty one. All you need is some vinegar and some cold water. So put half vinegar, half water, and then scrub it on with a toothbrush. I scrubbed it on hard because these boots were super dirty. And then let them air dry. And that's all you have to do. Repeat as much as needed. But make sure you let it air dry before you do the second wash, and then that's it. Also, just a quick tip, when you're cleaning the Ugg boots, you know how it's sectioned out like this right here. Make sure you wash the whole section because it will leave little like water spots on it if you're just cleaning one little part. So make sure you clean the whole thing. It's all wet so it will dry nice and evenly. Okay, so here I'm just about done. I let it air dry, and then these are my results. Almost perfect, as good as it's gonna get for a 3-year-old using Uggs. So yeah, try it out. So thank you for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye.